Toyota CHR G LED. Model year 2019. Import year 2024. Unregistered. Color, pearl white. Mileage, 33,000 kilometers. Grade 4.5 verifiable. Active cruise control. 7-speed automatic. 17-inch machined finish alloy rims. Satellite navigation. Reversal camera. Smart entry and start system. Nano E-Air purifying technology. Toyota Safety Sense Plus, which include pre-collision safety system with lane departure alert, automatic high beam, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, leather accented heated front seats, 40 split fold rear seats. Fuel average 26 km per litre, TO 32 km per litre. Demand 122 lakhs. Sigma Motors. Opposite UCP Lahore. 0321 459 8293.